Well, hello everyone. Welcome to Case Cafe, and this is your happiness life coach, Kiran. I'm sure all of you, along with your families, are doing well and are safe in the comfort of your homes. So, guys, yes, it's time again to talk with Case Cafe, your happiness life coach, Kiran. So, what do you think I'm going to talk about today? Well, there's so much of talk happening, yes, and so many things happening all around us, which is bringing us so much of sadness, so much of despair, so much of kind hopelessness in our lives. Uh, at this time, it's I thought, why not talk about something which brings in positivity in our lives? Well, so what do you think can bring in positivity in our lives? Um, to begin with, when I say every video I'm talking, and we do hear everyone saying that be positive, bring in the positive energy, bring in the positive vibe around you. How do we do that, and how is that possible? Is there just by thinking we can become positive? Yes, of course, that is there. Um, our mind, our thoughts can always become positive by just thinking that this shall also pass, and the difficult time, especially in India, which we are going through, so much of sadness, so badly hit by this pandemic, and it's all around us, the deaths happening, the sadness, the gloom. People we know are moving on. People we have spent good times with are no more today with us, because they had been somehow hit by this coronavirus, and God bless them, all of them. And let's hope, like in my past videos, also I've been telling you that let's create hope, let's create positivity, let's all come together and join in prayers, have a collective prayers for all of us, the worldwide, that we are free from this difficult time, this pandemic. It should just vanish into thin air. So, thinking positive, yes, of course, that is very much important. What else? How can we create a positive environment around us? Now, that's again something which we can do as we are all in our homes, where we are. We are always either listening to the news or reading the newspaper, which is full of sad stories. Yeah, but yes, that's the reality. We can't escape from there, that all that. But how can I give myself, or how can you give yourself that positive environment in your house? So simply I will tell you what, as I have been doing all these while, that creating something positive in the house. So maybe it's as you can see that I have lighted a candle here. So this gives me immense peace. Lighting a candle gives me immense peace. It emanates good light. It gives hope to me. It creates that flicker in my mind that yes, at the end of the tunnel there is always a light. So guys, creating ambience in the house by just lighting a simple candle like this. It can be a small candle, it can be just a kind of a diya, it can just be a nice lamp even, which is really, giving us that light of hope. So here I have this candle lighted, and it is also giving lot of good smell. So one way is lighting the candle, which I am doing every day, and it's giving me a lot of positivity. Next thing we can do is adding to fragrances. So any fragrance which can be added in water, or it can be just sprayed in the room, it gives us lot of peace, calm, and it soothes our nerves. Some of the essence, some of the fragrances can be applied on the temples as well, where there are essential oils which can be used. I am not naming any particular essential oil, but I'm just kind of any essential oil which is just handy at your homes can be just applied or put in water, or also in your lamps or essential oil lamps, where you can light and also add water and have a very nice peaceful ambience. So next thing which really soothes me, and I want to share with you that uh, yeah, so can we hear something? Let's hear it properly. Wonderful, wonderful. I'm sure you heard it. And yes, I'm talking about the sound, about the chimes, about the sound of the chimes, about this positive sound which vibrates in the air, which vibrates all around us and brings us so much of peace, so much of joy, and so much of positivity. So, guys, I'm very fond of wind chimes, and I have it all over the house. And anytime the wind is little strong and it blows, there you are. It kind of gives me so much of peace, so much of joy, so much of love. And these vibrations is what is positive. These vibrations in our lives, I will just, this is of course, I have next to me, which is a recorded one, and the ones I have, it's all over outside my house. So this really gives lot of peace. So another way, one is candle. Just light a candle, have a lamp, have a kind of a floating candle, and bring in some kind of freshness with a lot of essential oils, fragrance in the house. And thirdly, yes, the sound vibration. Sound vibration can be in form of wind chimes, which I just showed you. Another can be any kind of bell, where you are praying in your small temples in your house, where you ring the bell. That is also again very positive vibration. It kind of just shoos away the evil all around us, and it just brings in lot of positivity. It can be the other bell, which is the gong, which is kind of a Buddhist bell, which can be just strung, or it can be just played while you are doing your prayers, or just in the morning and evening. So all these things, these small things, are going to bring in lot of positivity in our homes. And one more thing which I want to tell you are always flowers. Yes, having flowers in your home. Right now I have these flowers, but yes, these are not fresh flowers, but I do have many kind of flowers around me. And sometimes when, of course, it was not pandemic, so I always make it a point that I have some fresh flowers at home, which is not possible right now. So I am doing away with those, just that thought, and just bringing in some colorful flowers which are artificial but they look as beautiful, and they bring in some color in the house. So guys, this is very important. I thought I'm not going to talk about any kind of things which are really very heavy nowadays. So many things we are hearing, and everybody is there to advise us, which is of course good. We need to tell each other, but sometimes we need to just get away from there and talk about some simple things which we can bring in our lives and create positivity. So guys, that's what Case Cafe had to bring you today. So I'm sure today evening you are going to light a beautiful candle, you are going to have some kind of fragrance in your house which is really going to soothe you. You can use some small candle pots as well, where you can just have some small candles, some those small ones which we get during Diwali. We can always put it and float it, or just keep it at the bedside or the center table, or you can again have some flowers, some kind of freshness in the house. And of course, my favorite is the wind chime. Once you hear the wind chime, all your stress and all your kind of negativity just goes away, and you are in an environment which kind of it envelops you with so much of peace and so much of positivity. So guys, it's time to really replace fear with hope. Let's not be fearful, let's be hopeful, let's not be negative, let's create this positivity, let's have happiness over sadness. This sadness will just vanish when there are so many people coming together and praying. Yeah, that's very important. Prayers and giving ourselves that 15-20 minutes, like I told you in my past videos also, that it's very important for all of us to really give ourselves those 20 minutes of meditation, my own time, where I'm just connecting with the universe, connecting with my higher self and meditating. So guys, with lots of positivity, let this vibration seep into your homes. Let this vibration just shoo away this corona. It's just going to go away. It's just going to vanish into thin air. And let's be positive. And I'm sure when we think positive, things are going to come in our lives which are going to be very positive and as beautiful as this wind chime. I love you so much. Thank you for connecting. Thank you for always giving me so much of love. So Case Cafe today has this much. I'm going to connect to you soon, very soon, with lots of positive vibration, lots of love. Take care. Love you.